Hello traders, welcome to episode 543 of the show. Could be doing anything but you're here. Holy crap, man, we were feeling kind of cute. We might break out later. Kappa, it actually happened. Bullish rectangle, bullish trend, higher probability we would break to the upside than downside, and there you go, you exceeded the measured move before selling off. Big bearish engulfing candle, but who cares, man? All you did was bounce. You back tested the old area of resistance as support. Also, at the same time, bounced off the 20 moving average, and you're still holding above it, man. Not bad. Look, this is exactly how your moving averages should be looking. They shouldn't be all weird like this. They should be fanning away from each other, diverging away in an uptrend. Okay, 20 above the 50, above the 200. All right, healthy on the 60-minute. Now we just need, I think, the 4-hour to turn back around, which you know, the 20 just barely crossed over the 50 actually on the 4-hour, but either way. All right, congratulations Bitcoin. Rectangles, 60-minute, 4-hour, daily, heck, 5-minute. Rectangles are rectangles. They have measured moves. They break to the upside, downside, and especially after 3 touches on one side or the other. Okay, that's like the rule of 3. Like anytime you're inside some sort of zone, right? Just think about it, man. You like consolidate. You know, when you go sideways, it's a form of consolidation, right? So we've had a huge impulse up or something, and look, we hit top side, bottom side twice each. Third time, all right, what happens after you hit that resistance for the third time? Mathematically, there's a much more elevated chance you'll be breaking out soon. Okay, one way or another. That's just what it means. So after you hit a third time, or even on the third time you touch something, you could break to the upside. But just remember the rule of 3. It's all over the place. Triple MACD, bullish divergence, triple RSI divergence, 3 touch points. Okay, man, it's just something that exists. All right, so just know the deeper you get into consolidation, the higher the likelihood the volatility is coming. All right, rule 3. Cool, dude. All right, so what's going on now for real? Thank you so much, Rectangle. We love you. You were awesome. You felt cute. You broke out. All right, no need for it anymore. All right. Now, what's just kind of like, what's happening, dude? Let's try 1 and 2 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Well, looky there, man. Hold on a sec. Is that off? Yeah, if you don't use the 1 wick, you can clearly see it's just like 1 and 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Now you're hitting that bottom trend line again. All right, so you could be see, I don't know, man. Like, what if you use the bottom wick? It actually makes sense. The top actually doesn't when you're 1 and 2 here. So using that bottom wick right there, well, we've really only had 1 touch point, right? But again, having it anchored any other way, you've already broken out bearishly, which we know you're probably not. You probably haven't, right? So I think you're probably just riding along the bottom trend line. 1, 2, and 3, and now 4. Okay, good stuff. What's up, Matt? Give it. Thanks, man, for the 1 super chat. Commander Vlog says Bitcoin is exciting to watch today. Sunglasses? Is it? Is it exciting to watch today? I missed the memo. I mean, the breakout was great, man, but who cares? It's like you broke out and you ran right back down pretty much to the breakout level. So trade was played and that was it. It was like it happened and then it was over that quick. So I just zoomed out on this Sunday with Asia getting into its Monday very soon. Okay, Monday morning for Asia coming up. Next couple hours, you know, in 2 hours, right? What is it? Hour 48 minutes. The weekly candle closes as well as the daily. So I'll see if I can try to stick around for that. I don't know, man. Just depends how everything goes, right? Stream. So, look where you are. I mean, clearly there's forms of resistance up here, you know, wicks and candles, all right, all kinds of resistance. So, not going to be easy to break that. As you can clearly see, once we hit it, we rejected it. But that's okay, man. Still making higher lows. Everything's fine for now, all right? Whoops. Didn't even do that. That's crazy. Visibility. Only visible on the 1 hour. I don't want to see this channel on the 4 hour. Not really a big deal. Okay, so clearly channeling, upsloping, and clearly we made, I think, a, what, 62% retrace now? Maybe even, no, you went higher than the 62% retrace last night. Yeah, you almost hit a 78% retrace before pulling back. Whoa, it just lagged like crazy. What is wrong with the internet today? Dude, chat. This is so stupid. Look at this. I couldn't post any videos today. No static videos. Google Cloud status. It's like all messed up. There's something seriously wrong with YouTube and Google right now. We are experiencing high levels of network congestion in the eastern United States, affecting multiple services in Google Cloud, G Suite, and YouTube. Users may see slow performance or intermittent errors. We believe we have identified the root cause of the congestion and expect to return to normal service shortly. That was posted like hours ago. Still, everything's broken, dude. I can't even get into community settings to unban people. And I don't even think the likes show up right now. It's all broken, dude. And I think you can notice it. Like, look. Huh. Alright, 0 dislikes. Well, we know that's not real. But 2 likes, man, right? Me liking my own video. What a scrub, right? Really? Only 1 person's liked and we have 500 people watching? Yeah, right. Dude, it's all broken, man. Okay. But hey, remember, dude, triangles don't work, man. Triangles are fake. As one peasant said last night, who got destroyed. With logic and reason. Okay, with evidence backed up. Okay. Great stuff. Good job, Bitcoin. You did a fantastic job. 4 hour, this rising wedge just looks so good, man. You gotta love it. Every time I look at it, I'm just like, it's wonderful. I guess we go to Ethereum Connect. I don't know. We've been looking at Tether lately. Yeah. I mean, Tether, like, I like Tether's chart better than Coinbase's because, like, when we wick down, remember when Bitcoin dumped, like, gap fill, whatever, on Coinbase, the wick was much lower and didn't make sense. But here, 1 and 2, like, even on the Coinbase pair, we have these 2 touch points. Everything's fine, but this one looks the best because it went and perfectly touched this support before rallying again. So wonderful. All right, so another huge rising wedge pattern in development. Okay, huge impulse, and then we're now upsloping with our consolidation. Okay, higher lows and also higher highs. So price action is converging and upsloping. It's normally not the best pattern you want. That's not the pattern you really want to see when you're consolidating. That's okay, man. Alright, so yeah, we broke out of the little flag. Didn't do a measure move at all, man. I mean, like, this thing just broke out Bitcoin and then sold off with Bitcoin. All the same. But, I mean, you can say that from breaking the consolidation, it's not like we fell back into it. We're just kind of back testing the old resistance as support maybe now. But I don't know. It's such a small pattern. It looks better on the 60-minute, I think. Yeah, it looks way better on the 60-minute. We never back tested, actually. So you just impulse up, down-slope consolidation, you broke out again, did not make higher highs, not yet, but maybe you need Bitcoin to play ball a little bit more. Look at follow Bitcoin, dude. Who cares? That's it, dude. Ripple Connect. Do we want to do Ripple Connect? We can. Ripple man looking okay, looking decent, looking healthy, looking fine. People be like, oh, is that a bear pull, bear flag? I don't know anymore, man. It's getting way too drawn out. It's like the size of the impulse at this point, so probably not, man. I get it, though. Look, it's just like accumulation with a sell wall. We all know the psychology of the accumulation sell wall, right? The combination. It is an ascending triangle of some degree, and you're getting squeezed in between this the support that's upsloping, the resistance that is horizontal, right? You know, you'll run out of room, and eventually you'll have a break to the upside, downside. Based on what's occurred, I believe there's a higher chance that we break to the upside versus downside. Just me, though. I mean, and I have reasons behind it. I'm not just saying it because I think $2 Ripple in 2 days based on absolutely nothing. Okay, nah, dude. I think there's arguments to be made here that this is very promising price action right now in XRP. What it's doing. And could be setting up for much higher prices. And an argument behind that is the extreme breakout we had of the channel we had been in for like 15 months or something. We finally broke it mid-May, and now we're forming signs of accumulation We are back testing old resistance as support strongly with double bottoms and stuff, okay? And again, you're just making higher lows every time. You're above the 20, 50, 200, and you just had a golden cross the other day. All right, so Ripple does look quite promising for higher prices in the shorter term, midter term, or whatever. Okay. Those are the big three, chat. Thanks again for tuning in on this Sunday, because I know you really could be doing anything, dude. You could be outside doing things, and it means a lot, okay? Yeah, where's the Bitcoin to 14,000 in one day guy? He's gone. He'll never be back, dude. What was his name again? I don't know. I was drinking beer last night, so... Man, there was... Dude, Saturday nights are rough, dude. That's, like, normally when, like, the really, really, like, people that hate the world... Like, you know, those kind of people are like, oh, we're going to go, like, put magnifiers on ants, right? That's those type of people, like, show up on Saturday nights. You know, all the good people are here, but then, like, you got the really, like, hateful people that hate the world that show up on Saturday nights. So, man, it's a challenge, dude. Especially with all this new growth. It's just been nuts, dude.
What about Neo/views? Greetings from the Netherlands.
Ooh, my good draws, man. Thanks for the 1227, the Monero, and the jar, man. Happy Sunday to you, dude. What about it? What about it, indeed? It's not bad, man. It's uptrending, right? Uptrending. It's had really nice moves. It's continuing to upslope. 60-minute, I like it on the 60-minute, man, okay? You're just about to break out. You will be breaking out of the upside downside very, very soon on Neo. If you break the downside, okay, you get stopped out, no big deal. But this is just a low-risk, high-reward potential opportunity based on the trend behind you that is bullish, right? Every time you're making higher highs, higher lows, okay? Bitcoin looks decent. It looks okay. It breaking above 8,500, staying above it is extremely good. We talked about that last night. We rejected prices below 8,500 3 times inside that rectangle we broke out of, which I think is just extremely good. I think people are just like writing it off or not even thinking about it. It's like, dude, do you realize how big of a deal that is? That's like back from July of 2018, an overhead resistance, the top of it, and we're back above it now. That's awesome. Anyway, with that being said, so the macro looks pretty decent with Bitcoin. So you always want to analyze Bitcoin before analyzing alts, which we've done. And now you're seeing just price contraction, whether it makes the measure move the downside. Okay, it very well could, like lower high than your previous high, but man, these are shots worth taking, right? The measure move of the pattern's up at 1521. I think if we broke above 1521 or whatever, first off, that'd be the 52-week high, but also high to low, your 1272 could be that secondary target at 1568. Okay, so... staying above the 20 and the 50 moving average on the 60-minute right now, not bad. Impulse up, consolidation. So this is a neutral pattern, but after the impulse, it is a smidge bullish, right? Because the consolidation sets the... Well, I guess the impulse sets the tone for the consolidation, if that makes sense, okay? Okay. Let's look at some chat now. Hey, that was for you, Michael Drost. I hope that helped, man. Not bad. 60-minute, you know, so... Not a 4-hour, right? 4 hours, awesome. Daily's awesome. But 60-minute, you know, it's okay. And still, you can still play the 60-minute. It's just not as strong as the 4-hour. What's up, Ricardo? Joey Hickerson, OGD, Ripple Mark, Christo Farno, Darren Lewis. Good to see y'all. A lot of new faces in here. Thanks for the 632 people tuned in. Looks like the likes and dislikes fixed finally, I guess. Appreciate it. Man, 236 likes already. Y'all are incredible. Thank you, chat. Really. Uh-oh, YouTube likes Pundy. That's why all this is happening. Yep. What's up, bud? Donald Atkinson. Michael K. Hello. Wow, we have another Michael K. MK. Wow. Dude, so many MKs, dude. Mitchell Buchanan. Oh my god, dude. Whatever, dude. We have Mitchell Buchanan in chat. New meta, dude. We got a new meta. That was an inside joke from last night. Okay, so. What's up, Hodl Monster? Bitcoin Kang, welcome. Ruby Lively. James Glenn. Good on Brack. Hey, thank you for joining Patreon. Oh, you have new patrons. Okay. over the evening. Mr. Zhang is our most recent new patron. Jess R, thank you for joining the Patreon this morning. And so, Darren G, thank you for joining the Patreon this morning. Y'all are incredible. Nick from last night, really early in the morning, thank you for joining the Patreon. Derek, also thank you from early in the morning last night for joining. A lot of new patrons, and very grateful. Thank you all for the support. It means freaking everything. Okay. Is XRP holding steady? Yes, Joey, it is. Hey Charlie, thanks for the sub, man. Really sucks, dude. I can't post static videos today. I haven't been able to, and it started happening. I guess like Alex and Sunny, they posted much earlier today, I think. So it just started happening like, I don't know, like 3-4 hours ago or something stupid. Hey Ben, thanks for the $1 super chat, dude. Kings. Twitch it? Oh no. Oh no. Not worth. I'm still live here, right? Still coming in okay, I guess. Right?
Is that a joint?
Sounding positive today, Mitch. Hope you had a great weekend. Had fun with the stream. Kudos.
Thanks, Inc. Well, try to stay positive more often than not. But thank you, man. I had a decent weekend, I guess. Got to spend some of it with y'all. Right? Just been constantly working around the house, trying to get it ready to sell. Mr. Peabody. Thanks for the $2 super chat, dude. Kanks. XRP in the jar. Hey, D-Rex. Lone Sofos. Switch reason with VPN? No. No, that's not going to do it, man. It's nothing to do with my VPN. And it's everything to do with YouTube's, or YouTube and Google right now. Dude, sorry, there's so much chat. I'm so behind, my bad. Y'all, I'm trying to catch up. Okay, but we've looked at 4 assets now, and it's pretty deep in the analysis, I guess, right? Tron, good to see you too, man. Sorry if I missed your chat. Supa, Charuba, FN based, Julia. Kanatomo, man. Gurney, hi. Netherlands in the house. Fantastic. Hello, Mr. Flying Dutchie. Exchange to, fiat BTC with stop loss. Exchange to use. I mean, Binance, Kraken. If you're not in the United States, Bitfinex. There you go. Coinbase and Robinhood suck. Well, I don't think Coinbase is meant to be traded. You just use Coinbase Pro. Oh god, it's the crazy Indian nursery rhyme people spamming chat. Please destroy that scrub. Jeez, do you see that? Getting raided with losers, dude. Oh my god, it's a freaking bombing. Holy crap, chat. That's insane. What I'll do though, so like no one can see this crap, is I'll take off the chat box. So like when it's being reviewed, so you'll never be able to see those anyway, but like they're trying to get away with like making it to where this shows up. It's hidden now, so you can't see chat. It's no big deal. It's so easy to turn on and off. Dude, it's an Indian nursery channel. Being a crypto YouTuber, when am I trying to sell you something? Well, I don't know about selling something. I have a Patreon that supports my content creation, so I can like literally keep providing education and providing entertainment for you because people watch me. So like I have a Patreon that I push normally the first 7 to 10 days of the month, and then I stop altogether like pushing it because there's not as much value involved with joining the Patreon later in the month. So I have a Patreon. I wouldn't say I try to sell it. I just tell you that if you support me, it's the best. Or if you want me to keep showing up, all right, and you want to see me every day, multiple times a day, then you would join the Patreon. But there are incentives to support me with trade setups and education, in Discord exclusivity, of course, right? But again, man, it's completely voluntary, and if you join it or not, it's in your best interest. There's like so much education involved. We learn so much, and this community is all about me trying to give you the fishing pole versus me just giving you a fish and you learning nothing. Okay, so Call it selling all you want. I don't
Is
care.
Bay chain in a descending broadening wedge pattern on the daily vet/BTC?
Yes, Gabriel.
Is that a joint?
It sure is. It sure is. Thank you, Gabriel, again, man. Much love. Descending, broadening wedge on VeChain doing things.
VeChain doing things.
With a double bottom to boot. Potential double bottom. So, bearish though, right? The issue is the trend you're in is bearish. So, though, yes, you might recover and rally and all that, you could just easily reject higher prices and sell off again to lower lows. Because, again, your trend is not your friend right now. Okay, you're looking for bullish stuff in bear trends. You can't short this crap. So, you can't really look for good shorting opportunities here. But we did get a partial decline right here. 1 and 2 on the bottom. 3, you never actually touched it, which is good sign. But that's it, really. Dude, people are nuts, man. Like, think of the clout chasing that just was. There was so much clout chasing right there. Psychos, dude. Well, they're really just scrubs. Whew. Are you not entertained? Not even close, Octoman PCs. Not even close, dude. Okay, so there you go, man. If it was to play out, you could look at it like that. Potential double bottom, descending broadening wedge. You got a lot of work to do, man. You don't even look very good on the 4 hour. Look, man, look, you're double bottoming and all you're doing is testing the 50 moving average as resistance. But the good news is, I guess, on the way down, you're making a higher low now than your previous low, So maybe consecutive higher lows right here. But I don't know, man, like the US dollar pairs, they just like are in crazy bullish trends, man, right? So why fight that? What's up, Josh Holy? Ginger Man?
I joined Patreon yesterday and the value provided is amazing. Thanks Mitch and team.
Hey Johnny 20, man, thanks for the $5 super chat and the advocacy for the Patreon service. Thank you, man. Much love. Gangs. We did it, man. Very cool, dude. So, I wish there was more to talk about, man. I wish there was more to talk about with this besides yes, it does look promising, but just remember your trend. You just broke to all-time lows. On the 10th of May, you broke to all-time lows. Oh my god, man. It's like I've been on this 3-day back streak where my back's just been killing me, man. Oh yeah? I mean, kind of, but it doesn't... XRP to BTC. Someone asked about another BTC pair. Dude, look, you want to talk about bearish? Oh my god, man. Right? Extremely ridiculous bearishness since freaking December, dude. Clara, Snowden, what does Kangs mean? Kangs is, it's pretty much the same thing as DeJesus, man. It is like this energy in our community, alright? Where if you learn something, if you contribute something positive to the chat with whatever, man, quotes, if you help other people, if you teach other people to get better, you are Kangs. Alright, we are all Kangs in here, or Quains, alright? It's a cultural, our culture, I don't know, man. Kang Logan's probably better at explaining it. Kang Logan, you want to take that away, man? But anyway, hey, dude, it played out, didn't it? The little wedge, the little consolidation pattern played out weirdly at the very end. It broke to the upside, hit the measured move, and just kind of sold off since then. It's going sideways, holding above the 4-hour 50 moving average.
Been a patron for a few months now. That's months of gains. Showing some new month love. Gains.
Dude, Gar, man, thank you for the 3333. Repeating, of course. Lure Jenkins Connect, man. Dude, Dude, thank you for the advocacy of the Patreon, man. Thank you, dude. Really, and thank you for all the support, being a patron, man. It means a lot, dude. Seriously. Y'all incredible. This is the best freaking community in crypto, dude. Hands down. Find me a better community, man. You can't. You just can't. And really where the community is maintained is in our Discord, man. So if you're worried about missing notifications when I go live, because you will miss them, it is inevitable. It is a certainty you will miss the notifications when I go live and produce content. But if you join the Discord, you'll never miss notifications, because we ping at everyone every time I post a video or go live. Okay, so you need to join Discord if you want to make sure you don't miss my live stream. Straight up, because I do multiple ones a day. So. But Gar, man, monk ass on a Sunday, dude. Good God. So I don't know, man. This little consolidation played out, and so what is so promising about it to you? You haven't made a higher high than your previous high yet. Nope, no highs are higher than the previous highs. Not even this one. This was a lower high than your previous high. So though you are making higher lows, you're not making higher highs ever. Not yet in this trend. Sub Bukaram, thanks for the sub. Really appreciate that, man. But you're still within the parameters of a downtrend IMO. Alright. And that's about it. If you ever want to break this downtrend, you need to break above like 5,700 sats or whatever. It's a moving target. However long it takes us to get there. When we get there, it's going to be determined, you know. Alright, so 5,500 plus to 6,000. Alright, wherever it is. You break that, we'll be talking about things, alright? So higher lows is good, man. Higher lows is good. I mean, I can clearly see 1, 2 right here. There's like another little geometry involved here, like 1 and 2. So you're probably going to have resistance there as well. Alright. Oh, is that 2 diverging trend lines? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Descending broadening wedge? Not really. More of a meme. Okay, man. Good luck. Good luck. Higher lows, but not higher highs at all. You got a feeling, Perfect 10? Oh, man. You got a feeling. So why do you feel that way, dude? And why are you telling us without any reasoning behind it? You just feel it's going to drop based on what? And if it drops, it doesn't mean that you were right. You need to have reasons and arguments behind your thought process, right? So it's good to be challenged, right? Because that's how we grow. That's how we get better, man. Alright. Let's go to XLM. Why not? So XLM, man. Seems to me. Yeah, I don't know why this is still here. I mean, this was great, though. A little wedge. But besides the craziness right here, it seems like we have a sell wall and we have accumulation. Alright, so you just have this standard ascending triangle developing, and you're just continuing to rally with Bitcoin. If you could ever break this sell wall, measure move puts you all the way up at 17 cents. Okay, but there's going to be resistance before you get there, right at 16.2 cents, right? That overhead resistance now. Not going to be easy to break. You might sell off right there. So that's it, man. That's a bullish pattern, and the trend is bullish for now. Okay. Oh, Jean-Francois, I have a feeling Bitcoin's going to pump hard. Nice.
Mitch, have you done TA on Tron yet?
Tron Connect. Not today. But, yep. Let's do it, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Alright. Same analysis we've had for many months now. You broke the downtrend. You back tested pretty much. Higher low back here. Alright, you ran up overhead resistance. We couldn't break this area. We couldn't break it. Just too much chop there. Not enough buying pressure, not enough demand. The sentiment in the market was just not good enough until just recently, just a few days ago. All right, I think it was 27th of May when we broke out for real, finally. First candle high close above this area in a very long time. And so after that, we back tested the old area of resistance as support, and then we've rallied again, and we're hitting the 38% retrace, which is what? The beginning of the golden zone. This target we've had pictured for, we've had it here for a long time. Then it's one of my first static videos, I think, on Tron, or on at all, was the same thing, man. 3.9 cents to 5.6 cents our targets. We finally got it, man. It just took us a long time, dude. This thing has, it's so funny how Tron has made us patient. Okay. So Bobby Williams. On-chain connect. What about Wax? Probably terrible too. Man, still just sitting there doing nothing. I still feel decent about Wax, what it's done. I mean, just real quick. I mean, it's a major S coin, but I've had my eye on it just because of what it's doing. Like, it's in this just extremely large range, okay? But then it had a false breakout, like a 5% fail from that support. And now you're stalling and just holding here. And this is why I think there's very low risk here. This thing could very well break to the upside if it wanted to. And just because of this right here, the spring that you've gotten. All right. It just requires tremendous amount of patience on this one. Good God. Because it barely moves. But when it does move, man, we know it normally goes to these levels up here. Okay, so just keep your eye on Wax Connect. It's been here for getting close to a month now. All right. Oops, my bad. I know, S coin, big time, but doing things, Wyckoff things. Oh, Kaiser, I don't know, man. You talking about XPT or what, dude? XBT to USD? I don't know, I haven't looked at this chart in too long. You said a diamond on the 4 hour. No, I don't think so, man. Where's your pivot? Where's your anchor point, right? Like, where do I touch? Like, where are my anchor points, right? I mean, obviously you've got 1 and 2 here. Okay. I mean, we just got this, so you're calling that the second anchor point already? But let's not even worry about that. Where's this, man? Are you just gonna forget the wick, which I guess you could, and be something like that? Okay, I get you there. I can agree with that, kind of. But there's no second anchor point here, so it doesn't even make sense. Like, you can't, man. There's nothing. There's no little swing low at all. You normally need a swing low to talk about a second anchor point for a trend line. We have no swing low. It's just so arbitrary right now. I don't think there is anything yet. I mean, that's it. But we could easily just go sideways and then invalidate this completely. So no, I don't think we have any kind of confirmed diamond going on right now. I mean, maybe if you sell off, you know, and then pivot, but we didn't do that. So I don't know, man. No need to overthink it too much. All right. We got the wedge. All right. We got the rising wedge pattern. How we do it? Yep. It's like this on all of them, dude. There you go, man. Rising wedge. Rising wedge connect. Very, very large pattern. I mean, this is a monstrous pattern, dude. It's one of the largest patterns we've seen in a while, man. I mean, this is much larger than the ascending broadening wedge. Dude, this is like the size of the Gartley right now. Okay, nothing like the descending triangle we had. That thing was stupid large, but this is a significant pattern, man. All right, Look, you're bullishly engulfing on the 4 hour right now. Okay, above all 3 moving averages. Not bad. Not much resistance. I mean, look, why did we sell off there? Look, there's a candle high close right there from May 27th. That's not a very strong resistance, man. Not really at all. Okay, so Asia's waking up, right? We squared up. We had the square up. Market makers offloaded their shorts, closed their positions, and now we're back to business. Okay? Wedges are fake, man. They're fake. You want to see what a rising wedge looks like? Even in a bullish market, you want to see one that happened kind of recently? How about I show you, man? Oh, dude, it's not the same, man. Alright, someone give me some stupid reason. There's always a stupid reason to backtalk and just be like ridiculous. Okay, do you see the pattern we're developing now on Bitcoin? Okay. This was Activision Blizzard. Just months ago. This was October. Right, this run, you don't even want to know, man. So much money made. This run was insane. It lasted so long, but with the rest of the market, it dumped. Okay, 2 converging up sloping trend lines, 3 on the top, but 3 on the bottom. Okay.
What are your thoughts on Leo, Bitfinex's BNB, if any? They seem to have big plans.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what, I don't know much about LEO, man. What happened? Oh my god, dude. Of course the Streamlabs thing's broken right now. Hold on. That's so typical, man. Just give me a sec. I gotta deal with something real quick. I have to unsync something and then set it back. Okay. Integrations, that's it. Okay, maybe it's fixed now, Brad. Okay. Let me do one more. I gotta refresh the cache data. One sec. Thanks for the 3s again, though, Hink. What's up, Kenobi, man? Thanks for $2 super chat. Where the heck is this? Dude, it's just technical stuff. It's like stream stuff that's really annoying. Like the deepest, darkest secrets of streaming crap I have to do right now. Oh my god. There it is. Refresh cache data. Okay, alright, it should be fixed now, Brad. Just did every step that I did yesterday to fix it, or 2 days ago, whatever. Alright, Bitcoin's 87.55 right now, okay? With an hour 14 minutes left on the daily candle. Oh my god. Okay, so, he was talking about Bitfinex announcements. LEO to be listed on Bitfinex on Monday following completion of $1 billion contribution. We are pleased to announce that UNUSSED LEO, a utility token designed to empower the Bitfinex community and provide utility for those seeking to maximize the output and capabilities of the Bitfinex trading platform, will commence trading on Monday, May 20th, 8 o'clock Universal Time. The tokens will be tradable against Bitcoin, US dollar Tether, EOS, and ETH.
Why are you selling your house, Mitch?
Because I want to live free. Of course, man. Thank you for the $4.99 super chat. Because I'm moving, dude. I'm gonna move. Like, I've lived in this state my whole life. I went to college in this state. I started a career in this state in my 20s, right? I no longer have a reason to be here. Okay. There's more out there in this world. And I invested in myself for a long time. And now I'm going to reap the benefits of investing in myself for a long time. Okay. Anyway. So that's it, man. Yeah, big announcements. Very cool. I don't know how it's gonna do. Also, holy crap, man. Constantine!
Is that a joint?
Dude, Constantine, thanks so much, man, for joining the Patreon. And also, David F.
Is that a joint?
Dude, David, man. Thank both of y'all for joining the Patreon. And holy crap, dude. Mark D. also just noticed this. Jeez, man.
Is that a joint?
Dude, thank y'all so much for joining the Patreon. Just moments ago. Okay, thank y'all. It was broken. Okay, I just had to unlink it or unsync it and sync it back up. So thank y'all so much. Holy crap. For all the support. What are we at now? It's 112 patrons strong now. Y'all are absolutely unreal. Thank y'all so much. I can't wait to all y'all get the video. It's a 22-minute video I did today, and I was gonna be I'll just do a static video right after it, but it wasn't meant. It's not going public. It's only for patrons, and it's just a pretty hardcore little, I don't know, flashcard education session. But y'all should be getting it soon. I mean, I still can't upload any videos. I uploaded a Dropbox, but Bradford said just wait or something. I don't know. He needs to figure out how to get it. Just Dropbox, put it on the feed, the Patreon feed. Okay. Holy crap. Sorry, I missed all the chat today. My bad. Is Nightbot spamming? No. No, Nightbot's actually a human, or maybe not, but Nightbot is just talking about XRP or something, okay? It looks like Nightbot has, become self-aware, whatever you call it, alright? Here's Link Connect, bullishly engulfing right now, but below the 20-day moving average, not really good there, but interesting on the 4-hour, 60-minute. Oh, was it 60-minute? Yeah, dude, 60-minute, the downtrend, overall very bullish, but we're retracing. We are in a downtrend right now, but after 50% retrace from your lowest low to your highest high, you're double bottoming with bullish divergence. But again, it's 60 minutes, so it looks like an impulse up. You got to the resistance of the double bottom, potential double bottom, and now you're flagging, and now your 20 is bullishly crossing over your 50, so this might be wanting to run again. If Bitcoin ran to the upside, you'd think that Link would also run to the upside. So just a 60-minute pattern. Okay, here's your resistance. If you could break this, we talk about measured moves real quick. This is this is Link Connect. What? Link Connect? Lincoln Logs? 1K end of year? Kappa? It's a meme, dude. Dude, why? Here we go. Alright, so measure move will put you up at $1.17. Small pattern, but whatever, man. You're in a downtrend, but overall bullish. The trend is bullish, but in the short term, you're downtrending. Okay. What's up, JD24? Thanks for the kind words, man. What just happened? Invisible explosion in the jar? What was that? Do I ever say okay? Drew Davis, what does that mean? What's up, Dominique, coming in from Germany? Why are people creating bots to tell people to buy XRP? Are they? Is that actually happening? Sounds like a debating session, man. What's up, RapidX? Man. Thanks, Alfonso, dude. Good to see you, dude. Hello, 8A. Scooby DJ. Do I think TRX will go anywhere? It's been going places. You know, you should ask me that question anytime this year except the past few days. Okay. Oh, thanks, Chris Dixon. I don't think so, man, but just a normal person. Just with a webcam and a microphone. Who likes different types of music in charts.
Good day, sir. Dash when you have a chance.
Dash Connect. Yeah, man. Thanks, dude, for the 5. Oh, man. Holding on by your chinny chin. Dude, Monka S. Bring it up, dude. Just bring on the Monka S right here, dude. Ooh. Really, dude? So, potentially ascending triangle, even though a lot of white space. Could even just say it's not, but the psychology's there. There's someone selling up here. They think it's a reasonable price to offload their coin at 175. Makes sense, kind of a rounded number. And you're just hitting this critical upsloping support. You're just barely hanging on, man. You're flirting with disaster here to break out bearishly. But look, you see what I'm talking about? It's just, that's it, man. That's all that's happening. Ascending triangle. And you're at the bottom trend line of it. And you need to break to the upside soon to... I think you could. The longer you keep testing it like this, you're not flagging anymore, are you? I mean, you could be. But just know it's like, if you're in an uptrend, which you clearly are, and you're forming a bullish pattern, there's nothing wrong with taking opportunities on bullish patterns in bull trends. But man, the way this thing's just barely holding on, it's like, do we adjust now? Should we adjust our trend line? I mean, it seems pretty good right now. But like, this is the lowest risk area ever for a trade on an ascending triangle. Like, dude, seriously. Okay, because this thing ever broke to the upside, it'd be a huge run, man. Huge run to the upside. Just not sure if it's going to play out. Bitcoin 87.48, up 2.21% today, $189.45. Let's go. Felt kind of cute, broke out later. Nah, but no one's doing that. You're kind of being weird with your like extreme amount of like tribalism to XRP. Like, we get it. There's nothing wrong with saying XRP is a good asset, global banking solution, blah, 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 blah. But to continuously monopolize any words or rhetoric that comes out of your keyboard is all about XRP. And then, you know, trying to fearmonger people into getting into it, to like, you're like guilting people into buying XRP. You'll all be crying when XRP's a video. Like, you know, like, dude, you've been talking about it all day, right? So, is there anything else you like? Do you like golf, Nightbot? Do you like video games? Is there anything else you'd like to talk about besides XRP and how incredible it is? Dude, jeez. What's up, Yusuf, man? Why is XRP not going up? Thought it was following Bitcoin. Dude, you gotta remain patient on XRP. Okay. I wouldn't, see, like, you gotta let it do its thing. Alright, it's taking its time, as long as it wants to. It's gonna remain irrational longer than you can stay solvent, Yusuf. How about that? Thanks for the 2, man. Hey, super channel, awesome time. Welcome. Hey, I want to do something fun for a second, chat. Okay. All right. So a little backstory. It's not a big deal, but I'm trying to remember their names real quick. We're gonna be helpful today to somebody, and we're gonna do something that never happened to me. Okay, ever. All right. When I was starting out, when I had like 200 subs on my channel, do you think anyone was like giving me clout or pushing my channel like with their own clout, right?
Is that a joint?
Look, AGI Connect, please. Games.
Yeah, dude. We'll do it, man.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Maha Freedom, thanks 420. Gregory, man. Thanks the video, man. Gang, dude. Welcome, brother, man. Thank you, dude. Seriously. Can we do see you in Discord, brother, man? All right. So a pattern is extremely large if it was to break out. Then we adjust. Okay, now we're just making adjustments, whatever. You do make the adjustments, clean it up. Market digests, supports, and you adjust. Alright. Pattern, measure move, extremely large, man. Alright. You'd probably be safe. High to low. Getting fib extensions, right? You got 185, 189, 196. Okay, those could be targets instead of a measure move, alright? Even though you could do the measure move, just remember 70% of the way of the measured move, right? So any measure move you get, whatever the price is, multiply it times 0.7. Because Bulkowski said so, alright? Holy crap. Glass case of emotion right now. Whew. What was I talking about though before all that craziness just happened, man? Dang. Oh yeah. We'll look at Agi in a sec. Just give me a moment. So when I had like 200 subs or something like that, no one ever gave me the time of day. All right, I had to earn every single sub, right? Grinding it out every day. All right, but what I want to do is something that no one did for me. Just like no one ever taught me TA the way I'm trying to teach other people. No one did that. I wish I had me when I was trying to learn all this stuff. So keep doing that, right? You keep doing things that didn't happen to you, that you wish happened to you. All right. So what are their names? Okay, chat. I want y'all to just check them out. I want them really to be like, holy crap, I can't believe this just happened. How did this happen? I want y'all to go over there and spam this channel's previous videos in the comments and say Mitch Race sent you here. But they're called like Crypto Legends, these two guys. Okay, they have 257 subs. They were self-promoting in my channel the other night, and we banned them like immediately. And then he emailed me and apologized like profusely, and it's like, dude, no worries. No big deal. And so like, since he had the stones to even just like, you know, he wasn't just thinking about himself. He actually said he liked the show and stuff like that. He wasn't just specifically clout chasing or whatever. So, you know, check him out. Go over there, sub to him. Make their day, man. Like, you know, they get 100 new subs, dude. That's like big time to them. That's huge, man. It's like a huge percentage gain in their subs, right? So, I don't know, man. Check them out. I was where they were 16, 17 months ago, or whatever, 15, 16 months ago. So, everyone deserves a second chance, right? Everyone deserves a chance in general, right? And it's fun, you know, having influence and having the ability to do things, right? Kings. I don't know, they're pretty entertaining. All right, they don't talk about TA or anything, but, you know. They can be funny, Alfonso. Well, whatever it is, go sub to them, make their day. If you don't like them, if like your notification goes off on them and they suck, just unsub. But just do it, man. Why not, man? Positivity, doing good things for people that aren't bad people, right? So, whatever. Over 280 already. Boom. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get them spiking, dude. Spike them. I have a real-time subscriber thing. So, 287. Let's go. Let's go. Everything's a gray area in crypto. Yes. Ascending triangles are gray areas? What? What time is it? Oh, hey. It's... We got 1 hour left until the daily and weekly close, man. Alright? 300 subs! Let's go! You can see it live. I love that, man. But, you know, it's just like two guys that are newer on YouTube, and I was there, man. I was there. And no one did this for me. Not like this, though. Okay. Thanks, Sam Wilson, dude. Appreciate it, brother, man. 310. Let's go! Let's go. Alright. Just, I'm going to keep coming back to this, and we're just going to keep growing this channel. Oops. That. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin real quick. There's a look on the 8s. Right. I couldn't unban them either because, like, you can't do anything on YouTube Creator Studio right now. It's all broken, dude. Okay. Remember, when you sub, go to their previous videos and spam Mitch Ray sent you. Okay. Pumping it, dude. 327 subs. 338. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so Bitcoin Connect, upsloping channel now. It's pattern broke out, measure move hit. It's rallying. It's making higher lows. It's still going, man. All right. The fact is, to me, on the 4-hour, daily, whatever time scale, it doesn't matter. You fell below 8,500. You busted back above it. Then you rejected prices lower than it 3 times, giving confirmation that the support is still real. Okay. There it is. Sam, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Holy crap, dude. 346 subs, 349. Let's go. Yeah, dude, they're uptrending, man. They're uptrending. Very good. FOMO. Captain Happy. FOMO. Well, FPF staying, man, like, you're in the dead middle of a pattern that is inherently bearish. Okay, so something to think about though is like maybe that 8,500 area was a decent area value to take a lower risk long, just because of the fact of how important it is, man. It's like, it's so stupidly important, man. All right, no jokes about this one. The fact is, we right back here, we fell below it and then rallied back and back tested 3 times, and now we're running again. Okay. That's what you're supposed. That's the most healthy behavior you could do. So if one was to get in there, then 9,000 is a great profit taking level for a trade, right? So, but you're in the dead middle, man. You're at 87.27 between this area. So at this point, it's not really like the lowest risk area, and it's kind of like you're just buying cuz. I mean, cuz the fact we broke above 8,500, that might be a reason enough, but I don't know if your reward's going to be high enough for it to make sense for you to get in, right? But again, like we said, if you break this 9,000 area, look, we got an upsloping resistance. It could run you all the way up to 9,300, 9,400, man. Okay, breaking 9,000, big deal. Be probably really easy to break to 93, 9,400. Okay. Yeah, I mean, like, I only saw like one of their podcasts, but they seem amiable. I don't know, man. It was really just like, you can hurt people, you can ignore people, or you can help people. And it was just like one of those things where it's like, why don't I just help him? He apologized like a man, and I didn't have to do this. I just chose to do it, man. Whatever. What's up, Geisy? Adrian, hey man. Welcome, dude. TA on their sub count. They're at 365 right now. 366 subs. So this is what they started at before I plugged them. Wow. Not bad, dude. Not bad at all. Thanks, Mr. Gonzalez, dude. Kangs. We rated him, 40. We rated him. Sup, Zatch Monty coming in from Virginia Beach. Add another Zatch to the community, man. Welcome. All Zatches are welcome. Okay. You're going through the fear of missing out? What? Heath, did you? You watched part of their last video? They smoke pot and laugh at everything? Well. Wow, Nightbot, you are a trashy person. Hey, look, you try to do something nice, and then the people that are trashy come out of the woodworks and then get banned. Jeez, if you're a mod, read what that said. That scrub said. What a loser, dude. Dude, you're just a fanboy. You're just an XRP fanboy moonboy. That's all you are, dude. You don't know anything about technical analysis. You don't care about it. The only reason you're in crypto is you got sucked in by the great FOMO Nightbot, and you're stuck here, okay? Yeah, you know you bought into XRP at $3, scrub. You know you did, man. So stop acting like you're, oh yeah, dude, XRP is the best thing on the earth. I'm just going to keep talking out my butt about XRP every time. So we don't want people like you in our community, dude. There are 99% or 95% of other crypto channels are like that. Moonboy channels. Okay. What's up, Mr. Martinez? Can't say your name. Invest in Zatch. There you go, Zatch Johnson, man. Zatch Monty, thank you, dude, for the 199 super chat, dude. Yeah, really. Brad, jeez, dude. People, like, got serious problems with their own lives, man. 372 right now. Excellent. Menace, dude, thank you, man. Thank you for the sub. I really appreciate that, brother. There it is. Welcome. That's right, Hookah Fish. We will destroy the scrubs, okay? Roddy, Mitch sending positive energy out into the universe, so positive energy will return to you. Good move. Well, no, man. No, dude, there's always an ulterior motive. Yeah, me plugging these people is somehow going to benefit me, right? There's like no motive, but me just literally trying to help them. That's it. Yeah, we'll see, Hink, man. We'll see. What's up, Janelle Santo Domingo? Welcome, Kings. Yeah, dude, Alex, man, totally did.
Bruh.
Oh my god, man. Monero Connect.
XMR when you have them in.
Thanks for the 370 or the $5 Canadian, dude. Monero Connect. Yeah, this one, like, making adjustments. I don't know, man. Like, I get it, right? It could have the same mentality as everything else, but dude, it is a very, very confirmed higher highs than your previous highs, right? You can see it clear as day. So, ascending triangle, I don't think so, man. I think it is just a huge rising wedge developing. Oh no, Nightbot just unsubbed, chat. No, how will I ever recover from Nightbot unsubbing to my channel, man? Somebody sub real quick to replace that loser. Okay, thank you. What's up, Private Wins, dude? Marvin D coming in from Netherlands, dude. Welcome. Glad you made it across the pond. It's getting kind of late over there. Twilight. No, I mean, you know, midnight or something. I don't know exactly what time it is. Private Win, you showed me the way, man. Not even long ago. It's like you'd be like, long ago. What's up, Herbo? Terapias, Renard. Positive energy indeed. Dude, it's like, I'm trying to be positive, and there's like literally people in chat trying to like tear my positive energy down. Did you notice it? Did you see it? As soon as you like try to do good, there are negative, evil people that try to stop you and make you feel bad for doing something good for someone else. How crazy is that, man? The evil is real in the world. It's everywhere. What's up, Daily Faucets? Thanks for replacing the scrub. Thank y'all. Detone Gamer. What, say it?
Is it true that Coinbase could go out of business if big banks start adopting crypto?
I don't know, man. I really don't know if that's the case. They've got a pretty good hold on the market right now. So, dude, very speculative question. So it's pretty much impossible to answer, right? Like, I really don't know if they'll go out of business. Think about them getting acquired, Dayton Gamer, by a large bank. That would make probably more sense before them going out of business, right? Wouldn't the large banks want to acquire all their clients versus destroying them? You know, being pragmatic, I don't know. Dayton, thank you for the 5-man gangs. But you get it, man, on Monero, Robert, man? Rising wedge developing on Monero, kind of like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not a big deal. What's up, Andre, man? What's happening? Breaking out? Well, we already broke out of a 60-minute pattern. You could argue for a 4-hour pattern. It was visible, I guess. Hit the measured move of it, very small pattern on the weekend, and now we're just trying to bullishly engulf on the 4-hour with 48 minutes left on the daily and weekly candles. All right. What is this? 40 Force? 40 Force's son says I sound like Tony Stark. I should come up with some of his quotes. That's a first. Never ever been called, or so no one's ever said I sound like Tony Stark. People say I sound like Jack Black. I sound like Eric Cartman. What else do they say I sound like? Some people say I sound like a Jamaican Asian person. Sometimes. I don't know. Hi, Mr. Drapek. Thank you for coming by. Sleep well. Thanks, Dedrick Chavez. Much love.
Ask Coin Flash for Fun Plaza.
Flash? Are you talking about Fun Connect? There's no way there's something actually called Flash now, right? Nah, I think you meant fun. I mean, I think you exactly meant fun. Oh, it's so bad, man. Oh, it's like talking about positivity. Well, why you show me this chart if you're so positive? Okay, this is a depression chart. Good God.
They're at 375 subs now. It is so easy to make someone say and do something positive instead of bunnies and moan about stuff. Good example, Mitch. Let the haters be unhappy.
Oh, they're so unhappy. Thank you, man, for the 375. It's like, I don't even get it, man. Thank you, dude. Fun? Not very fun at all. Actually, miserable. A miserable asset that is at all-time lows. And that's it. Not really doing anything that would give me reason to believe we're going to be kings. Okay, yeah, you broke out of a channel, but did you even, man? I don't even know. It's so low liquidity. It's such an S coin. What's up with the wicks? You know, like, I wouldn't mess with this crap, but have fun messing with your virtual reality utopian concept that will probably never happen for real. Okay, dude, I think these people probably needed $4 billion to make what they want to do reality, but no, EOS got it. Now we're getting USBs, dude. We got USBs. We gave them $4 billion. They give you USBs and a new type of Twitter that no one's gonna ever adopt. Okay, awesome. But at least their mind's in the right place. They understand, like, hey, in order to get crypto mass adopted, you must create platforms where a bunch of Joe Schmoes are going to get in on it, like BAT. Perfect example. BAT. Right? Brave browser. Any Joe Schmo can start a browser or open up or download BAT. Right? Anyone can start trading crypto on Binance. Easy. Right? I mean, and it's not relatively extremely complicated to create either, it seems like, right? What a virtual reality casino is fun. Dude, that seems like an extremely complicated process to get started. Just think about gaming commissions, think about state borders, or I mean, you know, country borders. Like, how's it even gonna work, man? I don't know, dude. Fun Connect. I don't even want to look at this crap. I'm sorry, man. Just causing me anxiety. ADA. Well, we talked about ADA. It's doing the same good, interesting stuff that you want to see. Bullish type stuff, right? Accumulation, very clear. Sell wall, very clear. Once the sell orders get filled, we're going to pop to the upside. There will be no more supply at this price. There would only be supply at much higher prices. 1272, 11.16 cents, 11.585, and 12.402 cents. These are good targets from high to low. All right. It really, really wants to break out. Straight up, dude. This thing really wants to break out. It looks so bullish right now. Miserable Connect. Very good. Holy crap. What's up, Ritesh, Gerard, Marvin D. A lot of good people in here. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank you for the 800 people tuned in, and thanks for the 407 likes, man. Oh my god. Thank y'all. Incredible. Hey, is the hockey game on tonight? Isn't it the they supposed to play?
Nice beard, dude.
Did. Or.
Bruh.
Thank you, man, for the compliment on my beard, but thank you for the super chat too, man. The ripple in the jar, dude. Just asking to explode out. Okay. Thank you, man. What just happened?
Is that a joint?
Just sending some love to the king. Appreciate all that you do.
Orlando Rodriguez, man, thank you for the 420. Is that a joint contribution, man? Thank you, dude. Well, I'll tell you, any contribution you made to the stream gets reinvested to provide you with better content. And if you're a regular viewer, guess what? If you're a regular viewer, you know that. Is it though, Bradford? Doesn't look like it. Breaking to the... Oh, okay, I get what you're saying. Yeah, Neo is wanting to do things. It's, again, though, it is not broken out. It is not. It's trying. Oh, you know, XRP says, we have sent NetBot to the BitConnect community. Melt him down like all the rest. Oh, you know, XRP. Thanks, dude. Much love. See, there are good people and there are bad people in the XRP community. All right. The bad ones are moon boys. The good ones actually understand how to look at different perspectives other than XRP moon, XRP moon. That's like literally they wake up and that's in their mind. XRP moon, XRP moon, $2, $5, $589. It's like, no, dude. No.
Is that a joint?
Oh.
Your thoughts on Chainlink, LINK, please.
Yeah, Carlos. Yeah, we looked at it. I'll just add an alert, Brad. So if it actually really does really break out, then we'll hear a beep. Yeah, we looked at Link earlier. 60 minute. Look, so it's been in a very bullish trend, but is now in a sell-off, right? It's downtrending now. But in the downtrend, we have now retraced from the very bottom to top 50% of the way. Charles Dow's theory says after an impulse up, you most commonly retrace 50% of the way before reversing your price action that matches the prevailing impulse, which was this, bullish. So on the 60 minute, which is not that great, it's not the 4 hour, you're double bottoming with bullish divergence on both oscillators. You broke to the upside on the divergence. Now you're hitting the resistance, the top part of the potential double bottom, and now you're flagging, and it looks like you could be setting up for higher prices. If you ever broke $1.05 convincingly with confirmation of a candle close, then your measure move your target would put you at $1.17. But as it stands, until you break the downswing resistance around 120 to 113, depending on when we ever got there, you're still downtrending, okay? So you could run up there, make a lower high, and then sell off again. That makes sense. Hey, Kenton White, man, thanks for the congratulations, dude.
Do you ever want to order a pizza but you're so stoned you can't order a pizza, so you just go hide in the corner and rub one out instead?
Daytona Gamer? No, that has not happened to me, but I'll guarantee you it's happened to at least one or two members of the audience. At least a couple times, right? Right, chat? Type 1 if that's happened to you. Don't say anything if it hadn't. Okay, 1 for yes, nothing for no. Alright.
Thoughts on Bad and Brave browser?
Hey, Robert Clark, thanks for the 370 super chat. Thoughts on it? Again, we were talking about it earlier. It is a simple idea that any Joe Schmo can download the app and have a decentralized browser that doesn't sell all your data to the powers that be, right? So I think that's pretty exceptional, man. It's a great idea. Bad itself, though, on the chart, kind of double bottoming, lower low double bottom potentially. So I know you got more data, but just looking at the Binance chart, US dollar tether, a lot of people trade on this. There's an upsloping support, but you know you have a downsloping resistance, right? You have a downsloping channel. You put 1, 2, and 3 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Heartline touches resistance support. Okay, so if you ever broke above 37 cents, you could have a really nice route to the upside and continue the subtrend on that as it stands now. Okay, that's how I think about that. Bitcoin 87.50 with 37 minutes left on the 4-hour daily and weekly candle. Okay. So a bunch of people have, it seems, have been on too much marijuana and have done the other thing. Okay. Message deleted by Brad Fisher. Love it. Wow. Sorry, Brad. Sorry. It's like, I don't know, man. Dude, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. No one banned him. The message just got deleted because it was sexual. It was a sexual TTS. A very sexual. Too sexual TTS, okay? And it's my bad for encouraging it. I shouldn't have done that. Okay. Looking back, in retrospect, which just happened. Alright. Woodsy says, once in a while you get shown the light in the strangest of places if you look at it right. Boom. Kangs. Sorry, I'm getting through some of the chat. There's been a lot of ones. Just consider it a mulligan, dude, okay? Yep. No, you did right. Did he get banned? No, he didn't get banned. No, he just taught. He just typed. It says Daytime Gamer at Vincent IDK, meaning like I don't think he knows if he got banned or not. You did not get banned, dude. What's up, E-Top, man? When are we gonna see the coins that are not gonna make it die like BSV? Dude, hard to say, dude. It would take a couple more altcoin ice ages, right? I mean, look, the BTC pairs are getting destroyed. Oh my god, dude. Dude, Argus Gan. Are you kidding me?
Bruh.
Thank you so freaking much for the $111 super chat. Oh, there go my kilobytes per second. I lose my internet, man. No, I'm back. I'm back, man. Too many kilobytes. Thank you, brother, man. The Malibu Kang in the house. I don't know what to say, man, besides truly grateful. Thank you so much for being part of this community, and I'm glad you found me, man, and hopefully I'm some form of entertainment or value to you. Okay, ArcScan, thank you, dude. Hype in the chat for ArcScan. Pog. So many pogs. And thank you so much for the 458 likes, chat. Unreal. It's a Sunday, man. Sunday, 7:25 Eastern. I hope you're all having a good one. Hope you had a good, relaxing weekend. You have recharged your batteries. There's no more Game of Thrones. But we will survive. We'll continue on. Oh, but we got Billions now. God, I don't even want to watch the next episode. Dude, the last episode of Billions was the crappiest, trashiest episode I've ever seen in my life. That show sucks so bad now. It is like a chore watching it now. What's up, Derek, man? Crap, I don't even think that's saved. Yeah, it did. Oh, man, nice. Very, very nice. Is it daily, though? Oh, man. That's it. That's what it was. Okay, so Raven. You just can't make it happen, dude. Like, right? breaking down sloping resistance. Oh yeah, Chernobyl's tomorrow though. Breaking down sloping resistance is only the beginning of the battle. What you must do after you break the down sloping resistance is you then must break horizontal line resistance points. One being, look left, right? March 7th, 2019 with the wick to boot. All right, you did, and whatever, May 15th right here, you didn't break it, you rejected it, you rejected breaking above the 50-day moving average, and you're gonna close below this critical resistance, and you're rejecting it, dude. Like shooting star crap going on right now. Bearish pin bar, whatever you want to call it, bearish reversal pattern. Potential double bottom, it did not turn into a confirmed double bottom because you've never held and stayed above this resistance right here at 855 sats. All right, so if you ever did, and you could hold, your measured move will put you up here near the targets of the falling wedge. But as it stands now, not looking too hot. This is not what you want to see on a daily close, which is coming up again in 32 minutes. I'm sure Nightbot's one of the dislikes, of course. He's probably 10 of the dislikes, dude. Come on. Hey, Culture Shot. Massachusetts will protect me at all costs. Well, thank you, man. Thank you for the protection. Massachusetts! Let's go. Dude, this is so awesome, man. Okay, BNB. Why not? We haven't looked at it in a minute. Alright, BNB Connect. Well, honestly, man, is it even really a Connect? This is one of those that it's almost crazy to say Connect on this one. It's been so amazing. Okay, so low point to high point, anchor point 1, anchor point 2 to get our targets on the downside, our retrace levels. We have only hit a 23% retrace and have gone no lower really, all right? I mean, not for long, but on our like after we hit the retrace and pop to the upside, we're only making lower highs. So we're kind of downtrending right now. We have a descending broadening wedge in the midst, but you're holding up, man. If you can ever break 34.42 cents, that is the breakout point. And of course, you're going to face all-time highs as a major resistance at 35.66 too. So after that, if you did break to the upside, you could easily just get targets wherever our bottom of this, say we sold off more time, doesn't matter. But let's say it was the bottom, high to low, we could get our targets, 37.06, 37.82, and then 38.93 or whatever, the 1618 way up there. Okay, that's how you get your targets to the upside, especially on breakouts. You get your fib extension targets, high to low of the structure. Okay.
Sup, Mitch? Can you check out Zcash?
What's up, Rocky Windman? Thanks, dude. Did you say Kangs? Okay. Triangles don't work, man. They don't work. Remember, Rocky? Downtrend, lower low, double bottom, extreme performance on the double bottom breakout. Then you backtest the downsloping structure as support on your first reaction low, the symmetrical triangle. 2 reaction lows, 4 reaction highs, the breakout, the clean break, and then you're gone. You hit the 1618 up here, and that was it. So now I don't really know what kind of pattern you're developing. It looks pretty much, without this extreme exaggeration, it looks almost like a rising wedge like the others, doesn't it? I mean, I don't know, man. All right, same thing, you know, disregard the wick, use the candle close, but wicks here, more touches. And really, it's just like, if you don't have that crazy stuff that happened, it's like the same, right, as the rest. But with this, like, it kind of makes it to where, do you just have price contraction going on? To some extent, you could very well argue that's the case. Candle high close wick, whatever. All right, so reaction highs. So you could argue that, but at this point, man, I think we could not even talk about these patterns. 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 and 4 on the top, probably. Let's clean it up and give it a shot. See what we can do here. God, it's such a nice pattern. All this was so nice, so educational. So many nice patterns, dude. So it's 3 touch points on the bottom. See how it goes. Whoa. It's okay, not bad, but you kind of see what I'm talking about, man. We could try 1 and 2 on the top. I just don't know how well that's gonna go. I just think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 support, 25 resistance, a little bit of hardline support. Doesn't line up very well here. I mean, not really here at all. The 25 is really nice and the 75 is really nice. You just don't get very good touch points on the 50.
Fluffy is the new muscular. Ruiz with the maybe BTC shows us some love too this weekend.
Fluffy is the new muscular. Michael, you want to elaborate on what that means, dude? Ruiz with the knockout. Oh, nice. The Boxer 1, dude. Maybe Bitcoin shows us some love too this weekend. Yeah. I mean, it already kind of has. I mean, think about the recovery. I think the 3 white soldiers reversal pattern all occurred on a Friday. So weekend to weekend, we've gone from, I mean, like, am I crazy here? It's Friday. Friday was 31st? Yeah, Friday, dude. Friday was when we, yeah, Friday was the recovery. We hit as low as 81.12 on Friday, and Sunday, we're now at 87.41. We have done things. We're up like, what was that, $600 or something? This weekend alone. And it's been slow, not violent, right? Let me give this a shot real quick, just to see if this aggression will not stand, man. With the 1 wick, I don't know, man. I get like no more confirmation touch points with this channel. Okay, doing it this way, but it's like 1 and 2, 1 and 2 on the bottom. So I actually got more touch points. No, I got the same amount, 2 and 2, or right, 1, 2, 3 and 1. Oh yeah, it was 3 and 1 or 2 and 2. So either way, I guess it's fine. It's not really making a difference on touch points inside. So, I mean, I like it. 25 support's really, really nice. I guess you can see some heartline resistance around, I guess. Anyway, man, Zcash, moral of the story is you're uptrending, right? You are in an uptrend right now. Okay, and forming some sort of pattern, which doesn't really make sense because of this crazy move here. Again, it could look like a rising wedge like the others without this crazy move, right? Okay. Randy Daniel, welcome, man. Thanks for the sub. 1 million token. We can send tips with Bitcoin and altcoins. Yes. Streamlabs. It's all, the link is in the description below if you want to send me actual cryptocurrency contributions. Yes, and it shows up on stream too. It's very cool. Crypto legends in the house, are they? Nuh-uh. Where? Oh my god, my back, dude. Sure thing, Goblin Moblin, anytime. That's the whole channel's about. Helping others, right? Sorry, just reading, because I haven't been able to. At all. Why don't you use any other indicators, Eklund, besides the MACD, the RSI, or the MACD histogram, the RSI, volume, Bulkowski patterns, moving averages, Fibonacci, harmonics when I need to? Is that not enough, Eklund? 7? Do I need to use more? Would it make you think I'm better or something if I use more than 7? Like maybe in the past when I was developing how I did things, I was, you know, experimenting around with things. These are the ones I like and use, Eklund.
Remember that time that one gamer chose a rub over pizza?
I remember, dude. And it was, I guess, pretty inappropriate. Thanks, Carlos. Or not Carlos, sorry. Carlos 420, but super chat. It doesn't show up. I look at the recent sometimes. Thank you, Mr. Scary, for the $10 super chat. Kings. All right. What's up, Serge Ortega? Welcome. Johnny 20. Oh yeah, dude, plenty of telegrams. And the more illiquid an S coin is, the easier it's going to be to manipulate. So it's better to not mess around with those crappy S coins that we make fun of all the time. That people that have never participated in a real traditional market, they'll get offended. They're the only ones though. If you like participate, if you're like from the stock market and you just like crypto because of the volatility and it's 24/7, you're not going to get offended if I talk crap about these assets because they don't have there's no real way of showing me they're going to be able to make me money back if I'm an investor. Okay, so, but other people, again, that never participated in a market will be very tribal and very like emotional about someone talking crap about the fundamentals of their S coin. Okay. Dang, dude, been live for an hour and 36 minutes now. Happy Sunday, everyone. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Okay. Super channel, awesome time. Where though? Okay, because I couldn't unban them because Google's messed up right now. It's experiencing high congestion. Okay. I don't know, man. We've looked at almost everything under the sun. Looked at a lot of stuff today, and we're still, again, trying to bullishly engulf right now on the 4 hour. Let's go. You've seen no love, Michael Kelly? What you mean, dude? No, my posture is decent, man. It's just I do this 7 days a week. We breaking through 500 likes, Greg? Or I think there's Greg Moblin. There's Goblin Moblin, man. No, we have Greg Noblin, and then we have Goblin Moblin. Nice. We already looked at 88. We looked at like a lot, dude. How do you tip in crypto? There's a link in the description below. Streamlabs, right? What's up, Tito Morabito? Well, I mean, 60 minute, we had a pattern, we broke out of it, the pattern completed, then we sold off, kind of back tested the resistance as support, and now we're rallying again, which I think is good. I think it's healthy. I think the fact, again, it's just the reiteration that I've already talked about. 8,500 and 8,400 is extreme resistance zone back from July of 2018. You can see how we respond to it, okay? So we broke it, then we back tested as support, rallied one more time before dumping below it, doing the square up. All right, easy square up. And that was it, man. After that, we've recovered almost completely back to where we were. And so when we did break back above the old overhead resistance, we then used it as support 3 times on the 4 hour. Okay, that's, in my opinion, extremely bullish, and that's what I said last night. And that's why I said I think there's a higher likelihood we would break to the upside versus the downside because of this fact. All right, and not just to mention the 3 white soldiers in the bullish engulfing candle, right there, the bullish reversal pattern into the bullish consolidation pattern, and then you broke it, measure move hit, and now we're trying to bullishly engulf again with 19 minutes plus left on the daily, weekly, and 4 hour candles. Okay, there you go. More Abito, dude. That help? I hope so. Because if not, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Greg Noblin, don't be jelly. I don't think he's in here today, is he? They commented right above your comment, did they? Where'd it go, man? Okay, there's Crypto Legends. Oh, guess we didn't ban you. Okay, that's good. Make sure it's the real one. It might be like an alt account, I don't know. No, that's them. Okay, they didn't get banned. They just, their message got hidden when they promoted or whatever. It's all good. Thanks for letting me know. Super channel, awesome. It's sometimes tough sifting through all the chat. All right. It does pick up. It gets sporadic sometimes. Stand and stretch. I should start doing stand-up streams, right? Chicken Caesar. No, I don't remember that, dude. I do not use Bollinger Bands, no. Alicia Colburn. Good day, Mitch. 9:30 a.m. Monday in Sydney. Love your show. Much brother. Much love. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate that.
Bruh.
If it was 3 black soldiers, it'd actually be called 3 black crows, and it's the inverse pattern, right? If this was selling off, 3 black crows. Okay. We already looked at 88. Just can rewind and see it, I guess. But it's in an ascending triangle. It's looking very good. I mean, a lot of these alts look like they're just ascending triangles. There's accumulation with a sell wall. Holy crap, chat. We just hit 11,300 subs. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Y'all amazing. Like, seriously. Y'all make Sundays a lot of fun. Okay. I look forward to Sunday streams. Alright, but yeah, not much happening. You know what? Hey, why does no one even ask about ICX, right? Look what ICX did, man. Yeah. Yeah, it ran up from the bottom and hit the upsloping resistance and then reverses price action. Come on. Let's go. Rising wedge? Yes. Rising wedge. Also broke down sloping resistance. Look what happened when you broke out a trend line right here. Look how high you went, right? I think Cisco Kid. Thanks, man. What's up, Joe Ryan? Welcome. Thanks for the sub, dude. I know he does deductive, man. I know him too, man. You see eggs? You might be not here. I don't even know. You might be on something, dude. Do we have a diamond in the TA? No, someone asked about that. It wasn't valid. I don't think there was near enough validity. There weren't enough touch points on the bottom right potential trend line, nor the top right really yet. Okay. Didn't look very clean at all to me. You're asking about the diamond. King's Culture Shop, man. What's up, Momin Mosley? You were the only one who likes Icon? Well, I don't really care about it, the project. I'm just talking about the chart. I mean, it's up literally 12% today, and everyone's asked about almost every asset or crypto altcoin. We've looked at them, but like this one's up like the most I'm seeing on my watch list right now. So it's just like 3 indigenous kings. What? Could it be forming a double top on ICX daily? Oh yeah, that was from another pattern. Don't worry about it. Things change. Double top. You're bullishly engulfing. You're in an uptrend, right? Let's see what we can do now. I mean, I think we can. I think we definitely clearly anchor 1 and 2 and then throw in the top. Okay, we have ourselves probably an uptrend. Choose parallel channel, keep it clean. Yeah, there you go, right? What's happening? You're hitting the heart line, it's resistance. 1, 2, and 3. Your upsloping channel, all right? You're getting closer and closer, right? From your major discernible daily swing high way up here from August 30th to your low. You have not quite hit the golden zone. Golden zone is the area where you commonly retrace after finding a bottom, and that's between 48.99 cents and 68.29 cents. Okay, so despite anything that happens, as long as you stay above 35 cents, this upsloping support, you're up. You're still uptrending. You're still moving on up, and you could eventually hit this area. And each fib node, we're looking for price action reversal to the downside. Okay, since the trend is, geez, man, overwhelmingly bearish, like dumpster fire, right? You wouldn't expect this thing to reverse this trend. You just expect it to make common retraces and then sell off again like a scrub. Okay. What's up, Church of Christ on Randolph Street, Kingsman? Please don't hate you for requesting BCN. I don't know, man. Just kidding. I don't know if I want to look at BCN, man. Oh, dude, it got delisted. It's such trash. It's so illiquid. It's like worse than Pundy coin, man. Oh my god. It's at 12 sats, so it's like equally as bad as Pundycoin, dude. Oh, why would you even want to mess with it, man? Like, why? I'm just curious. Like, do you think there's value there? You think like, oh man, there's only 12 sats left. We can only go to 0. So not far away from 0. Is that your thinking when thinking about getting in on this crap? So, hello Nick Brabant, Win Texas, soon. XRP Panic, soon. Thanks, Goblin Man. Kangage. Yes, streaming is impossible, level 999. Yes. I might just have to ban myself. Okay. Can't attend though. What's up, Adri? Thanks for the sub. Much love. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Dang, man. It's tough. So just ETC, someone asked about it. Alright, man, just clean chart, just fibbed from your, it looks like that's the high, right? The major discernible high. I mean, okay, whatever, dude. This one looks like it's it. Look at the swing we had. So high to low. You've exceeded a 236. So if those fibs are proper, you'd think they are. You'd be at least running to between $11.90 to $17.20 for your just simple standard golden zone retrace. Okay. I mean, look what. Yeah, a little bull pull, bull flag, right? Impulse up, down slope consolidation, run it again, making the highest highs. Dude, we're about to be at the dumpster. Remember November 7th when Bitcoin and everything crashed, collapsed with it? You're about to finally be back at it. You could see some resistance there. That's 100% retrace from the high to low right there, right? But, yeah, dude. Gonna be tough to break. It's not gonna be easy to break that. And then you're gonna have look at all this effing resistance up here, man. Good luck. ETC, good luck breaking $10. Psychological rounded number, a little bit of overhead resistance, and then you got horizontal line resistance back from September of 2017 and October of 2017. Good luck at $10, dude. That's it, dude. Okay, yeah, uptrending, probably 1, 2, 3 channel, maybe breaking out of the channel or something right now. I don't know. But yeah, things going nuts today. 1, 2, and you see like breaking if you have anchor point 1 and 2, and then a bunch down there. That's beautiful. You're breaking it, man. Right now. Ethereum Classic Connect. Good luck at $10, man. And that's all I got to say about that. We got less than 10 minutes, chat, until the daily, weekly, and 4-hour close, all at the same time. So we've so far retraced from your previous high, minor high to minor low, around 78% of the way, no higher. We'll see if we can keep it going. We're deep in the retraces. We're bullish trend, bearish pattern, but we know how that goes, right? The trend is your friend, and the trend is upsloping. Elizabeth Barry. Case fine, we looked at ONT and ADA today. Clara, we've looked at IOTA. Oh my god. We've looked at like almost everything today. I've been live now for an hour and 50 minutes. Okay. So we got 8 minutes. We're just running out of the clock now. We've had a decent stream. It's been pretty freaking good if you ask me, man. Alright, very productive. We've learned a lot. We've gotten a good grasp on how the overall macro of the US dollar pairs are going. We've actually even looked and saw how the BTC pairs are doing, which are not bullish, but they look like they might be reversing. But we've seen that before, where they look like they're going to reverse, but the trend is too overwhelmingly bearish, and then we just dump again. So crazy market, crazy crangs.
Love to hear your thoughts on
HTML. Oh my god. Trash. Complete trash. Like, really? Well, let me guess. HTML coin. I see it because they already had a working product. They just needed more capital so they could invest more, so they could sell more products and make even more money. Oh wait, no, that's not the case. That's in the real world. That's the stock market. That's when you IPO. This is an ICO for no reason, dude. They're just a scrubby project that probably they just wanted to sell high, right? So as soon as this thing was created, it just like people were just dumping it, insiders and all. Everyone just dumped this crap. Look at it. Such trash, man. Who cares? Low liquidity S coin. And we can try all we want, right? We can give it a shot. I don't even know I'm doing it, man. There you go. Heartline resistance, resistance, resistance the whole way. All right, more resistance. This is bearish. Very, very bearish. Okay. I don't even know how to do fib extensions. You can't even really do fib extensions right now. I guess what you would do is when you dump to lower prices, you would just go from your previous low to high to get the next short-term scrub targets, which is like 698, 631, and then 534. Okay. That's all you can really do with fib extensions here. It's so bad, man. All right. Sorry to, hurt your feelings.
Is that a joint?
What's up, Mitch? Busy grinding and trading on my own, but I try to catch your streams as often as I can. For all who are new, Mitch gives more value than 99% of all crypto streamers. Thanks.
Hey, Non, thank you, man, for the 420, but more importantly, thank you for the strong advocacy and the kind words, man. Geez, trying to make my day much? Doing a good job. Thank you, dude. Wow. Very cool. What's up, Paul Silva? Thanks, dude. So this one's interesting, right? This is the one. Engine Connect. This is the crazy, Garley bat combination, whatever. 78% retrace. You're kind of double bottoming a little bit. You're just at a PCZ area, and if you dump again, maybe we could see the 886. But you're just kind of flatlining now. All right, so if it was the bottom, which we don't really know yet, from the high point to low point, again, if it was, it's all hypothetical because it could just sell off again. It very well could. But if it didn't, if this was the bottom, it was going to ride to the upside. Your first target, 34.46. Second target, 618. Third target, 886. And if, guess what, if it sells off and hits the 886 and then rallies, then same thing. You just move your fibs down to where it bottomed and look for the 382, 618, and 886. Okay? But dude, it's the BTC pair, and they have been really scrubby lately, okay? There you go, dude. Hotmail coin. Is that what it was? Oh, it was terrible. Won't be asking for HTML again. Oh my god. Oh, there you go. And thank you so much for all the new subs today. Alright. Means a lot. We're exploding. And it's just incredible. It's an honor. A good Simpson character? Alright. Just, dude, we got 3 minutes until the daily close, alright? I have no thoughts on 10x. Sorry, dude. Yes, we've covered O&T. Case fine. Thought I answered that earlier when you asked. Yeah, it was a terrible looking chart. HTML. Lou. Hello? Oh, my music ended. Are you kidding me? Are we good? Joe Lewis says, Mitch, been a sub and Patreon since I found you during the initial April 1st Bitcoin breakout, and so glad you went live. Enjoy your streams and left all the other lamos. Well, thanks, man. I'm sure there are other content creators out there that have value and try to help people. So, you know, thanks, man. I'm glad you're here, and thank you for all the support, dude. It means a lot, really. We got weekly closes too, Trevor. Yep, weekly, daily, 4 hour. Jason, you haven't been watching the stream, I guess, in 4 or 5 days, huh? $888. Oh yeah, we're getting closer and closer, man. I don't know if we'll be live if 888 hits, right? But yeah, maybe. All over the place. All on TA for years. Okay. And was doing, like, out of all these random sources on the internet, books, people, I brought it all together and I try to teach it what I've learned here. So, like, people being like, your TA is fake. It's like, how's it my dude? We're talking about geniuses that I learned from. Geniuses. They, like, started the game, man. That have done, like, years and years and years of research on this stuff. It's like saying something about science is fake. I mean, like, dude, this stuff has been studied constantly for over 100 years. Do we do shots when the weekly closes, Chris? Nah, dude. Only when the chug variation goes off, I guess, right? But 18 seconds left, just kind of going sideways. I mean, you'd think it was bullish engulfing. It's weird though. Look at the candle. It's like not actually engulfing. I don't even know how or why it's like that. But that's pretty much an engulfing candle. Alright, so there we go. Chat, we've done it. Another week in the books. Another day in the books. Another 4-hour candle in the books. Okay. Pretty decent close. I mean, not too bad. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Ether. Glad you enjoy it. Lack of space on the universe. On the universe, Pure Loco. What you talking about, dude? 8742. We did it, man. Asia's waking up. Asia's awake for the most part. Morning time. It's like 8 a.m. in Seoul. Something like that. Market makers create the patterns to trade. So, thanks, Jordan West. Appreciate it, man. Hey, Al Marie. Good to see you again. All good. I know everyone's busy, right? And it's hard to keep up with all of it. But, man, some people get, like, offended. Like, hey, Ray is, like, streaming, and there's a lot of chat, and there's a lot of stuff to do, and there's TTS. And then it's like, people, like, hating on me and talking crap because I'm not getting to their comments or questions because it's impossible to get all of it. Okay, so 9 a.m. in Tokyo. Mike Smith, good one, dude. Weekly red candle. What? I guess. Not really. No. Oh my god. Look at this weekly close. That's a huge spinning top. Well, not spinning top. That's a long-legged doji, dude. Extreme amounts of indecision. Back testing. Old resistance. Held it as support. So you broke it a week ago. Now you're back testing it. Dude, that's good. That's a good sign. Remember, back testing resistance as support is extremely good. That's like more confirmation. Though it doesn't always play out. That's sure as heck. That's a lot better than closing below 8,300 or something. Okay. I'm telling you, man. 8,500, big deal. We're above it. Closed above it. Beautiful on the weekly. Overbought, but go figure. Okay. So that was definitely not a red candle. Thanks, Jason. Lunchtime in New Zealand, man. Mr. Kiwi, get some Vegemite. Do Kiwis eat Vegemite? Strains? Do they? I'm asking the Strains and the Kiwis, I guess. Pierre, are you talking about the end of the world, man? Colgate. Thanks, Eric Coffee, man. Okay, chat. Well, I've been live for 2 hours now. Bitcoin not doing much on this new weekly candle, new daily candle, new 4-hour candle, new 60-minute candle, new everything candle, alright? Month of close just a couple days ago. So selling off a little bit, whatever. Stay above the 20 and the 50 moving hours in the 4-hour and you'll be fine, man. Ebbs and flows. The in-betweens. Okay. What do they do, Phil? Marmite? What is that, dude? Is that some sort of weird thing? Okay. I don't know. Let me do a rundown real quick. Shout out to Constantine, David F., Mark D., Mr. Zhang, Jess R., Darren G., and Nick. Okay, thank y'all for joining the freaking Patreon today. Y'all are amazing. Remember, join the Patreon. This is the absolute second best day. Yesterday was the best day to get the most value out of the Patreon. Stupid amounts of education, well worth over what the cost is to join the Patreon. We got trade setups, Discord exclusivity, all that, man. Okay, and it's really you saying I support this channel when you join the Patreon. Okay, and yeah, we're 107 strong now. No, I'm sorry, 113 patrons strong at this time. Thank you all, 113 of y'all. Y'all are incredible. Okay, because it's not just supporting me; it's supporting the team as well that help make things possible behind the scenes. All right. Paul S., Anon, Eddie Fisher, Mr. Scary, Michael Kelly, Rocky Wynn, Arcuscan.
Bruh.
Thanks for that 111 super chat, dude. Unreal. Robert Clark, Daytona Gamer, Carlos, Uno XRP, Orlando Rodriguez, Inc., FPF Stang, Maha Freedom, Youssef, Robert Clark multiple times, Live Free, Kenobi, Sin City, dude, Gar, thank you for the 33 repeating, of course, Johnny 20, dude, Clara Snowden, Adam Mr. Peabody, Michael Drost, Commander Vlogs. Thank you all for the support today, the contributions, the love, the likes, the new subs, the old subs, everyone. This community is the best in crypto, okay? None better than us, all right? We have the best community, and it keeps growing rapidly every day because it's all about transparency, integrity, rationality, all right? So I'll be back tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern for the night stream. So until next time, respect the TA. Real quick, accidentally forgot Archiscan. No, not Archiscan, Agi. Archiscan's our boy, but sorry. Just real quick, yeah. Agi, terrible, right? Had a wonderful rally for a long time, then dumped and lost every single sat it had of that run. But we're bottoming out. It looks like maybe there was divergence in the end, but it hasn't manifested really into anything. Get this out of here. Right, your divergence. There's a little bit on the MACD. Yeah, triple MACD, bullish divergence on the way down. Low, lower low, lowest low. Lower levels, negative momentum every time. Volume's rising, interestingly enough. Okay, so if it was the bottom, and I don't know, if it truly was the bottom, then you'd be expecting a retrace between 944 and 1224. Okay? Those are targets if this was the bottom. That's where we would expect to retrace to before selling off again to be scrubs again, because bearish trend. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay? That's it, man. Alright. Sorry about forgetting about that, Agi, but we got it, man. Thanks for the contribution. Love y'all.
My name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.